Going on, guys? Josh here. Putting these head studs in. Had to back them off for a minute because I needed to lube the threads here. But all you want to do is hand tighten them, which I'm using this, but I'm backing it off. But see, I'm hand tightening ones I can't really get to. And see here, you can see how far you need to go with them. I mean, you don't need much at all. It don't need much. Just hand tight. I can't wait to get this completed. I should have the rocker pedestals and all on today. Let's see here at this touch. So what you want to do is, when it touches, I just back it off. See? And all these are just like the same way. Again, pull these down. Can you shine it back here? But these are the Xotic head studs. They were provided by Xotic for an honest review. And the honest review I can give you right now is I don't see no difference between these and ARP. The only difference I can tell you I can see is the price difference. Xotic is cheaper. But feeling them going in, and people try to get me to install, let me get back up there, cheap head studs, and I can tell when I'm even tightening them, I can feel it. But these here, man, they feel great. They feel like they should. So I don't think we're gonna have an issue at all. And if we did, no doubt in my mind, Xotic would take care of us. I mean, what other kind of company you find out here that offers a channel like mine that just starting out, a set of free studs and even the milled rocker pedestals at zero? They was around, I want to say like $450ish when I did get all the stuff in. That's about what it would cost. I think that's what the paperwork said. I'll look back at it, but nobody ain't just gonna give you that stuff if they got a sucky product. They want to sell it, and it is a Canada company. Let me get right there, son. But yeah, that's what we're doing. You can bring them over here and show them here what I'm doing here. I'm taking the nuts here, rolling them around, and taking a few of these, putting them in here with it, and getting ready to put their first 30 pounds of torque. Then I do, I think 30, 70, and 125 is the final torque. But keep in mind, guys, you have to use this assembly, well, not assembly lube, the lube that they provide. If you do not, I can promise you they're not going to torque right. They just are not. You'll be wasting your darn time. So if you want to do this again and start back over, then I tell you what you do. You don't put this on there, and I can promise you they won't torque right, and you'll be good anyway. So if you want to do this job over again, do it the shitty way. But what I'm fixing to do, set these babies right down on here like that. Hand tighten. You getting this, son? Mm-hmm. Thank you. And down with them, just like that. I got purdy them head studs are they nice, ain't they? Oh, what's that? You know what? Cut that off for a minute. Yeah, guys. I just want to get this thing done because winter, old man winter setting in, and I sure don't want to have to be sitting here fighting with this stuff, trying to get it completed in the wintertime. Because that's the worst thing you can do. You got the winter on you and you trying to fight with this. Oh, I don't want to do that. Cause I know me, I guess I'm a kind of a sissy. My hands hurt in the winter. When I try to do this, you bump something or something like that. Man, look how smooth these things go on, man. They just feel good, son. But guys, that's them. And see, when you're coming down, that's what you want to see. Let me show you here, see if you can get this. See how you see that on top of there, the lube, you want to see it pop up like that. Son. You need up here? Yeah. Alright, so you're going to shut it off for a minute. Hop now. Let me get you. I got